Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, straightening you up. That's got it. You see, before you were 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I put some black paint on. And I'm going to have a little bit of swiping fun today. I don't know how it'll turn out, but I've got red, black and white, and I intend to just kind of put it on. I'm not putting tons on because I just want to see, see how this little swipey goes. I think that's about right there. Put some more black on. Oh, it's a bit more. And I've got plenty of colours here if I need a bit more. I'm not going to worry too much about spots. Oops. Since I'm going to swipe anyway, so spots won't matter. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find down below under Show More, below this video. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. Look at those drops. And you're more than welcome to come across there and join us. Well, so far that's looking rather pretty, isn't it? Alright, so I have my cloth is cut into 3 different sizes, and making sure that there is silicone in the red and the white. Oh, that was different. And now I try from this end. Ooh, that's a bit wider, isn't it? How much? Alright, where's my scissors? I'd rather have them near enough to the same width. About there. You can tell I come on. You can tell that I measure them up very carefully. Not. Okay, so here we go with this one. Oops. I'm doing such a good job getting this one in. Okay. Now he's going to need a little help. Okay. So he wants some white and obviously some red. And I shall use the other end if I can. Oh, this might be alright. Let's try it, eh? Oh, yes, that's working. Right. And last in the centre. Oh, that is certainly different. But I think that centre one wants more white. the other end, if I can find it. There it is. It's not exactly straight. No, it'll do. We're going to see how we go. Yep. Still not happy, Jan. So, what am I doing? I'm going to do this. And I'm going to no, I don't like that. I really don't like it. So, and I got that there too, I don't like. Let me get rid of it. Right. Actually, what I might do is not even enough paint there to tilt, so that's okay. We'll just go about our business and turn it into something else. But I will keep that top part if I can. And some red. Right. Now, should I swipe it or should I whack it with a spatula? You know, I might just swipe it. Okay, I've had a think. No, which end? This end. Here we go. Oops. Okay, looking a bit better. Right, so now I know what I'm going to do. Only this time I'm only going to use white. And I didn't need these little doubles. Right. Oh, I've got a frog in my throat today. That wasn't good. I'll work on that in a minute. better. Why did you do that? Because you could. Okay. Now, let's see what we've got. Bring in some black. And livening it up. I think it's starting to look rather interesting. Bring this down, I think. All right. I can't see that I need to fiddle anymore. Not that that's ever stopped me. White. Right. Well, that's really pretty. I'm going to torch this now and we'll see what we have. I think that's rather pretty. Alright, I'll bring you down to have a look, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell beside and you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. Please share too, if you so wish. Quite a few cells, and some really pretty ones, especially over here, but they're only very small. Probably because I was messing with the paints rather a lot. So it's really quite pretty, and thank you very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.